What's good, everybody? It's your boy Robin. I'm back with a quick unboxing. As you can see, I have the Note 20 Ultra 5G on deck. You're going to see plenty of these unboxings. You can just add mine to the list of unboxings you will be bombarded with on YouTube. But let's get started. Now, this is a Gorilla Glass build front and back phone, stainless steel frame. This is IP68 dust and waterproof resistant, up to 3.5 feet. Well, I think it's about 5 feet now, for 30 minutes. The stylus, which is probably the most improved part of this phone, has its latency reduced to 9 millimeters of a second. So from the time you touch your stylus to the screen display, it's almost an immediate response. When you start writing, there won't be any more lagging with the pen. Now, this phone is a 6x9 inch phone. 91.7% of this body is all screen. What else? You run an Android 10. You're gonna have One UI 2.5. Now, this phone is expected to get updated to Android 11 with the new One UI 3.0. That will be coming very soon. If you're in the US, you will get a Snapdragon 865 Plus. And if you're over in Europe, an Exynos 990 for what they might say the global one. Now, this is the 128 gigabyte storage. You can get this 256, 512, and this phone does have 12 gigs of RAM. I think all of them has 12 gigs of RAM running across. Stereo speakers, everything is tuned by AKG. Also got some Bud Light on deck. I'm going to do a separate unboxing for that later. But now, let's check out this phone really quick. Oh, one more thing, 4500 milliamp battery, which is a little small in comparison to previous Notes. You expect a much bigger battery. I did get the black. Everybody was getting bronze, but I thought I'd try black, try to be a little different. Inside the top of the box, you will have your paperwork, your SIM ejector. Anything special in here? Nope, just usual documents. A lot of space for documents, which leads me to believe that maybe in a European version, you might get some little bit of extras with this. And nice phone. Whoa, this is really nice. Real quick, let's check out what's inside real quick. Fast charge. Well, what is it called? Yeah, super fast charge. Looking around in here. Again, this looked like this was a box that may have had something in it, but it's empty. All we are getting is the phone, a C2C cable, and that's pretty much it. Let's get to the phone. Real nice. I do have some cases and screen protectors coming in. Real nice. Man, it's a real nice phone. The camera hump is huge on this phone. This is let's put it on. Wow, huge camera bump. Before I turn it on real quick, let's bring out the Note 10 Plus. See what we're dealing with here. Well, it's a little bit taller, the S20 Ultra. And width-wise, man, I don't know. It's neck and neck, but I would say it's almost the same when it comes to the width. Maybe The Note 10 might be edging it out slightly. Power buttons, volume rockers are all on the right side. Left side, nothing. Usually we will find, the old school used to find Bixby buttons, but they mixed the Bixby button in with the power button now. The one difference is the S Pen on the bottom has been moved from the right side to the left side of the phone. So if you are a left-handed user, you may find this to be to your advantage. This phone, from a weight standpoint, like I said, is very top heavy because of this module. So other than that pretty much does it. I'm gonna go ahead and set this phone up, give you my first impressions of this phone a little later. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave all those down below. And other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video, man. I'm out.